Ever wonder why your browser always remembers everything, even after you close it? What if I told you there's a way to leave no trace automatically? Stick around, and I'll show you the ultimate privacy hack in Google Chrome. Hey my friends. Last year, I made a similar video, but guess what? Google Chrome has moved the settings. Let's dive into the updated method to automatically clear your browsing data every time you close Chrome. First, open Google Chrome, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop-down menu that will appear, select the Settings option. Next, go to the Privacy and Security tab, and then look for the Site Settings option. Scroll down, and then select the Additional Content Settings option. Now, scroll down again, and you will find the On-Device Site Data option. Select it. Under the Default Behavior option, you will find that the default option allows sites to save their data on your device. Here's the key: choose the second option, Delete Data for all sites when you close all windows. With this step, you are making the browser delete all browsing data after you close it, preventing these sites from tracking your data and behavior while you are browsing the internet. But, what if there are some sites that you don't want to clear data from? No problem. Chrome lets you customize this. Under Custom Behaviors, click the Add button next to the option Allowed to save data on your device. In the window that will appear, you can type the website link. Or better yet, go to the website whose data you want to keep, then copy its URL from the address bar, and paste it here. Finally, click the Add button. You can repeat this step for as many websites as you want. That's it, my friends. Now, Chrome will automatically clean all your cookies and unwanted cache, keeping only the sites you care about. If this video helped you, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive more tutorials on my channel. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.